Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing a gift from the new Craft Day website. So they reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to do an unboxing, gave me carte blanche within a budget to purchase things that I would actually use and be able to share here on the channel, and I am very excited to be sharing with you what I received. So this was sent to me. This is like, I guess PR is technically what this qualifies as. I'm kind of excited. I know a couple of you guys, I just wanted to something I learned this time when they reached out. So I know a number of you guys do diamond paintings, which we'll get there. So they have some amazing diamond paintings, and that's kind of what I knew them for, but they have expanded what they have on their website. There's some crochet hooks, stitch markers, but they've really moved more into like paper crafting more heavily. So there was some washi stickers, washi tape, things like that. So it's not just the diamond painting stuff anymore. They have expanded what it is that they are carrying in their shop. So I am very, very excited about this. They were also gracious enough to give you guys a 10% discount code. I will have that in the description box down below, along with links for the items that I will be sharing with you guys in this video. So my mindset this year has been very much mindful purchasing. I'm buying things I've either been looking for, things that I know I'm really going to enjoy, things that I want to have around. I'm not just trying to fill my space with stuff I have to maintain that I'm no longer using. So it was actually a lot of fun to be able to kind of come through their website. Number one, with fresh eyes, as it's changed a lot since the last time I'd looked at their website, but finding things that I knew I would really personally get use and enjoyment out of. So it was a lot of fun for me to do my little shopping trip. So I only got 3 items. First off, I got these, I'm not sure if they're stickers or die cuts. I think these are just die cuts. But these are the Victorian themed die cuts. They kind of go with a lot of the papers. I kind of like the fairy feel to these. And then we've got some more kind of portraiture pieces. But I have a lot of things that these would go with. And these portrait pieces are actually kind of cool because the center is actually, you can punch the center out. So if you wanted to do like an offset with like a window behind it and stuff. So anyway, really cool. I really like these. These are fairly light paperweight, so I would definitely say these are more book friendly if you're doing a lot of like mixed media kind of in a book, kind of like the wreck this book, break this book kind of things. But these are also really good on cards and stuff, because keeping the weight down on a note card or card that you're sending out to someone, kind of critical. I'm really bad about making mine too thick or too heavy. Try to get them back in their little envelope. And you guys know me and my zipper pouches, so that will definitely be going into the zipper pouch that is themed vintage floral kind of stuff. I also, once again, did paper crafting. These are deco stickers. Little bit different theme for these. So I really like the book thing here. We did stick with the florals, but these are kind of more early 1900s and just plain florals. How cute is that? A little bit more classic artwork in there maybe. But once again, I knew this would just go with a lot of the stuff that I already have in my stash, and I'm trying to use stash both here in the yarn room and in the paper crafting studio. So very, very, very excited about those. But if y'all been around for a while, it has been like 5 years since I've done a diamond painting. But I saw this one, and this one in particular, and thought that's what it is. I thought this was super cute. So I thought we'd give this a shot again. Like I said, I enjoyed doing the one I did, mostly because I really loved the picture in it. I still need to frame it. I have not done that. When we moved to Charlotte, it kind of got stuck in the drawer and forgotten about because moving was hectic. And then 4 years later, we moved again. So, but this is what it is. And I hadn't seen one of these before. I know it's got the glary glares. There we go. So it's actually fairly large size. This is on a hard plastic piece because you slip it into the base here and it's self-supporting. So this is actually like a decor piece that you actually have out. I'm sure you guys are more familiar with the diamond painting things than I am. But I thought this was super cute. And I was thinking that would be adorable on the bookcase in the living room. Just a cute little springtime piece. And it works for Easter, which is in a week. And it works for just general springtime. So anyway, there's that. There's also, well, there's another piece here that looks like it could be a base piece as well. That's what that egg piece was that was sticking out there. But it's got all the drills and stuff. It's got the standard tool for doing it. I do have a gum picker-upper that I use for paper crafting. So I could very easily co-opt that tool for diamond painting. But I thought that was really, really sweet. So, in the description box down below, we will have links that take you directly to these items. I'm very excited about them. We have 2 that will help me with stuff I already have. Like, I know specifically both of these will pair really nicely with, like, my Dear Jane DCWV collection. I have, like, the 4x6 pad, I think, and then the 12x12 pad of that. And I also have one from Hobby Lobby that is just vintage florals that I know these will go really well with. So, like, I had, like, in my mind specifically what these would work for. And then we got a super cute little decor piece. Oh, the egg thing slipped out more. So there is, like, a little egg base hiding in there. I think I prefer the clear base, but... So we got a decor piece that will work for seasonal decor, as I still haven't finished decorating downstairs. And then we've got stuff to help me with my card making. So anyway, I'm very, very excited. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. You know, we're doing the low-key thing today because I've got to go run errands and it is supposed to start pouring down rain in about half an hour. So I am going to go get my errands run. But I hope you're having a lovely weekend. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.